Namaste, my dear students. It's me, Kamal Pokhrel. Today it is the 27th day of virtual class of Standard 5. Today we will discuss the question answer from the same unit, Unit 5. The wishes come true. Okay? The wishes come true. This is the name of the lesson and these are the question answer. I have written here. I hope that you will write all this the question answer. What is the meaning of the name Sushil? Okay. What is the meaning of the name Sushil? Actually, this is the name of the person. And what is the meaning of this the name Sushil? Answer: the meaning of the name Sushil is gentle, polite and quiet. Gentle, polite and quiet. Question number 2. Is it school on Saturday? Also, why does the story say that school would be over by 2 on Saturday? Actually, in the context of our country, there is no school in our on holiday. There is no school on Saturday. But this story, it is in the context of the India. The story says that the school would be over by 2 on Saturday because it is written in Indian context. Okay. The story says that the school would be over by 2 on Saturday because it is written in Indian context. But in our country, there is no school on holiday. No need to write that. Question number 3. Why was Sushil in no mood to go to school that Saturday? Give 2 reasons. Why was Sushil in no mood? Sushil, he did not like go to school. Okay. What are the reason? You have to write the 2 reasons. Sushil was no in mood to go to school that Saturday. The 2 reasons are the geography test and fireworks display. There was went to the class teachers, the school teachers was going to give the geography test and fireworks display. Question number 4. Why was Sushil in difficult position when his father went to prepare a bowl of bitter brew? Bitter brew means a kind of medicine. Okay, bitter brew. Tito Aushadhi. Why was Sushil in difficult position when his father went to prepare a bowl or bitter medicine? Okay. Start the answer like this. When his father went to prepare a bowl or bitter brew because he hated bitter things. Question number 5. What did Subal and Sushil wish to be? What did Subal and Sushil wish to be? Subal wished to be young. Okay. Subal wished to be young and Sushil wished to be as old as his father. Question number 6. What changes happened when Sushil grew as old as his father? What change happened when Sushil grew as old as his father? Answer. When Sushil grew as old as his father, the clothes had become too tight, his body had become bigger, and his curly curly head of hair had gone. The curly head of hair had gone. Question number 7. Why did Sushil's friends run away when they saw him sitting on his chair in the veranda? Okay. Actually, Sushil's friend they had gone to meet Sushil, but they found there a person sitting there, and there was no Sushil, and they ran away. Why did Sushil's friend run away when they saw him sitting on a chair in the veranda? Okay. Sushil's friends ran away. Okay, while writing here, Sushil's friend ran away when they saw him sitting on a chair in the veranda because he looked like a stranger sitting there instead of their friend. आफ्नो साथी सुशीलको सट्टामा अन्य कुनै अपरिचित व्यक्ति बसेको देखे. Because he looked like a stranger sitting there instead of their friend. Question number 8. Why did Subal and Sushil wish to go back to their old state? Why did Subal and Sushil wish to go back to their old state? Subal and Sushil wished. Okay, while writing here, wished. Subal and Sushil wished to go back to their old state because, I have started from here, because they were tired of their new life. Okay, dear student, this is all about the question answer. I have mentioned here, I have written here. I hope that you will write all this the question answer in your note copy, and you will show to your subject teachers. This was for today. See you in next class. Thank you.